Have you ever wondered how private space companies like SpaceX can change the world? Today, we dive into the SpaceX IPO and prediction markets, including predictions on its future. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, revolutionized space travel. It aims to make life multi-planetary. Now, many investors are excited about its potential IPO. An IPO, or initial public offering, allows a company to offer shares to the public. This process helps raise capital for growth. It also allows investors to buy a piece of the company. Predicting the future of SpaceX involves understanding the prediction market concept. Prediction markets use collective intelligence to forecast outcomes. It gathers opinions from many people, revealing popular predictions. The SpaceX IPO could significantly impact the prediction market. An IPO might generate excitement and increased interest in space. This could influence numerous industries, from tech to transportation. Let's break down how the prediction market works. Investors bet on outcomes, like SpaceX's launch success. They predict events, receiving payouts for accurate forecasts. For example, during SpaceX missions, investors place bets. If the mission is successful, they profit. If not, they lose their stakes. This creates a dynamic environment for predictions. Recent launches have performed exceptionally well. Analysts predict a successful IPO could happen in the coming years. This could transform the investment landscape and boost interest in space. To summarize, SpaceX's IPO represents immense potential. Prediction markets hold valuable insights about future developments. The combination can reshape investment and exploration in space. Stay updated on SpaceX and prediction markets. Research, learn, and engage with others who share your interest. The excitement around space exploration is growing. Don't miss out on this thrilling journey. Have you ever wondered how private space companies like SpaceX can change the world? Today, we explore the SpaceX IPO and prediction markets regarding its future. Founded by Elon Musk, SpaceX has revolutionized space travel, with the goal of making life multi-planetary. Consequently, many investors are eager about its potential IPO. An IPO, or initial public offering, allows a company to sell shares to the public, raising capital while enabling investors to buy a stake in the business. To predict the future of SpaceX, it's crucial to understand prediction markets, which leverage collective intelligence to forecast outcomes by gathering diverse opinions, revealing popular predictions. The SpaceX IPO could significantly influence the prediction market by generating excitement and increasing interest in space, impacting numerous industries, from technology to transportation. Let's break down how prediction markets operate. Investors place bets on outcomes, like the success of SpaceX's launches, earning payouts for accurate predictions. For example, during SpaceX missions, investors can bet on success. Profits are made if the mission succeeds, while stakes are lost if it fails. This creates a dynamic environment for forecasting. Recent launches have shown exceptional performance, leading analysts to predict a successful IPO in the coming years, potentially transforming the investment landscape and boosting interest in space. In summary, SpaceX's IPO represents significant potential, and prediction markets offer valuable insights into future developments. Together, they could reshape both investment and exploration in space. Stay updated on SpaceX and prediction markets. Engage with your interests, as the excitement around space exploration is steadily growing. Don't miss out on this thrilling journey. I can suggest a few examples that could enhance your points about SpaceX and prediction markets. 1. Other successful IPOs in tech. Examples like Facebook's and Alibaba's IPOs highlight how initial public offerings can lead to significant market shifts and increased investment in technology sectors. 2. Prediction markets in action. The Iowa electronic markets and the Hollywood Stock Exchange demonstrate how prediction markets can accurately forecast election outcomes and box office performance based on collective betting. 3. Analysts' predictions. Cite specific analysts or investment firms that have made bullish predictions about SpaceX's IPO, such as Morgan Stanley or Goldman Sachs, and their expected valuation. 4. Impact of past launches on stock prices. Discuss how the success of previous SpaceX missions, like the Falcon Heavy launch or the Crew Dragon missions, positively influence the company's reputation and investor sentiment, potentially setting a precedent for future IPO success. 5. Emerging space economy. Reference other companies in the private space sector, like Blue Origin or Virgin Galactic, that have attracted investor interest and public excitement, showcasing the broader implications of a thriving space economy. 6. Public sentiment and market influence. Mention past events such as the excitement around NASA's Artemis missions, which stirred public interest in space that indirectly boosted investments in private companies, similar to what could happen with SpaceX's IPO. These examples can help contextualize your points and illustrate the potential impact of SpaceX's IPO and prediction markets in a broader economic framework. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, aims to revolutionize space travel and make life multi-planetary. There is significant anticipation regarding its upcoming IPO, initial public offering, which will allow the public to buy shares in the company. This IPO is expected to generate excitement and interest in space, potentially impacting various industries. Prediction markets, where investors speculate on outcomes such as the success of SpaceX launches, play a key role in forecasting the company's future and can influence investment trends. Overall, the combination of SpaceX's IPO and prediction markets could reshape the investment landscape and boost interest in space exploration. The text discusses SpaceX's potential IPO and its implications for the future of space exploration and investment. It highlights how the IPO could generate excitement and interest in space, influencing various industries. The concept of prediction markets, where investors speculate on outcomes like the success of SpaceX launches, is explained as a tool for forecasting the company's future. Overall, the fusion of SpaceX's IPO and prediction markets is suggested to have the potential to reshape investment trends and enhance interest in space exploration. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos.